Secret Sacred Shadow Spirit Society, please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe below. In today's video, we're doing an unboxing of Boxy Charm. This is the Boxy Luxe. It retails for $21 plus an additional $28.99, and mine was actually a little bit more expensive. I'll do a little cut right here and add in the actual totals. Because of shipping to Alaska, I had to pay a little bit more. But it comes with a whole bunch of stuff, $296.98 worth to be exact. So the very first thing in here is the Cover FX palette. This is in the shade Medium Deep. There is the shades on the back. It comes with 2 highlighters, a finishing powder, a contour, and a brightener. There they are there. This is what I have on my face today. I used contour to contour the blush. I used a little bit of the highlighter here and the brightener. It is pretty blingy. I really do like it. This is awesome. They're a lot more pigmented than I thought. You can see this is pretty deep. So I can't imagine it being any more darker. This finishing powder, I did not try. It's got a lot of shimmer in it. There it is there. But I'm really loving this. This is so awesome. This retails for $45. It says 6 must-have complexion essentials in one travel-friendly palette. The talc-free formula provides seamless blending and flawless application. Sculpt with contour, blush it up, and illuminate with 2 shimmer highlighters. Find your perfect finish with a brightener and finishing powder for a glowing, multi-dimensional look anywhere and everywhere you go. So the next thing in here is by Moda. These are Moda Brushes Powder and Soft Glow Kit. Your new Moda 2-piece powder and soft glow kit is the ultimate dynamic duo. The 2 brushes were designed to give you your desired look. The elegant rose gold tapered handles and 2-tone synthetic brush hair make this brush set the perfect addition to your brush collection. These retail for $29.99. Green really wants them for some reason. You want them? Do you think you can play with them? They're not for you. They're for mamas. So they're really soft. I watched Official Nady do a review. He actually used these in his look, and he tried this out for highlight, and it didn't work. But what I would do is to set the under eye with this, since it's nice and soft and fluffy. This regular powder brush. So those are really awesome. Next we have the iconic eyebrow cushion. Give your brows the wow they deserve with iconic Sculpt and Boost eyebrow cushion. The innovative 2-shade liquid brow compact allows for fuller looking brows with half the effort. The highly pigmented formula glides on effortlessly, while the angled brush makes for precise application each time. I actually used Milani today. These retails for $40. Here's what the packaging looks like. Super blingy. And there's the little brush. And here is the shades. I'm not going to open it right now. We'll try that out in the future. The next thing is Wander Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. Wander Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. Contains a blend of skin-loving acai, goji berry, blueberry, lychee, mangosteen, and green tea leaf extracts. The Wander Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask instantly purifies and replenishes dull skin. That was a mouthful. Excess oil and impurities are drawn out and absorbed by skin saving, peel off mask, dries quickly and peels off effortlessly, revealing a smoother, clearer, and brighter complexion. I don't know what is going on today, folks. This is like my fourth time trying to do this, so I'm going to have a great bloopers at the end. The manufactured suggested retail price is $34. Oh my gosh. Next we have this Becca Ultimate Lipstick Love, a moisturizing 8-hour long-wearing silky satin lip color infused with the next generation of hyaluronic acid. This retails for $24 and it is in the shade Bear. I should have actually tried all this stuff on today. I don't know what I was thinking. That was my intent when I had started. For some reason I went with a different brow and a different lip. So there's the shade there. It's got a real nice soft creamy formula to it. And this actually feels pretty heavy duty. It's nice. So continuing on, It Cosmetics Confidence in a Cream Transforming Moisturizing Super Cream. Developed with plastic surgeons, Confidence in a Cream is your new #1 anti-aging moisturizer, perfect for all skin types, even the most sensitive. This quick-absorbing super cream immerses your skin in moisture, restores visible radiance, reduces the look of pores, discoloration, lines, and wrinkles, and improves the look of firmness. You'll see powerful results instantly and more dramatic results over time. This retails for $48. I really want it. I do have face cream that I'm using, so I'm going to give this to my mom because I know she'll love it. The next thing is the Morphe 15 Shade Artistry Palette, and mine was the 15D Day Slay. I wasn't very impressed. I did create this look with it. If you'd like to see how I created this look, please stay tuned. I will have it at further along in this video. So here's the palette. It says indulge in infinite eye looks. I don't know how many infinite looks you can come up with this. I am really not a natural or nude eyeshadow person, so I had a really hard time creating this look. I actually wiped it off twice because I kept coming up muddy. But overall I am very happy. I think I like it a lot. This smeared palette features 15 crazy, creamy, powerful pigmented shades so you can mix, match, and blend the rules. But don't mix and match too much because you'll come up with a muddy mess. This retails for $16, and I actually did not use this shade. That's how it came when I got it, and it looked like it was wiped off, so I avoided that. So there's that. And then next we have the Lily Lashes, which I have on. I really like them. They're a little bit smaller than I'm normally used to. But here's the packaging. I'll go ahead and include a clip here of the picture of them. Add volume, length, and drama to your lashes with your new limited edition faux mink Gaia pair of Lily lashes. The winged style, cruelty-free lashes are durable enough to give you up to 20 wears. They retail for $24.99. So I'm really loving those. I like them a lot. They remind me of my favorite lashes, which are by Vegas Nay, and they are in the style Golden Goddess. Next we have a DC Sweet Almond Cuticle Oil by NCLA. Treat yourself, your nails, and your cuticles. This lightweight, non-greasy oil is formulated with vitamin E, shea, sweet almond, and jojoba oils that are blended together to create a luxurious treatment that softens the cuticles, moisturizes, and hydrates the nails. You're just so loving me today, huh? Yes, you are. We're started on his haircut, if you guys can see. Look at those cute little toes. He was covered with hair all over like this. It's been growing since he was born. I have been trimming his eyes. He needs a full body haircut, so we're working on it, but it's real difficult because he's so hyper and feisty and rambunctious. So one of the things I do is I try to take him out for walks and get him real tired, and then he lets me do it a little bit at a time. Should we try this out on your nails? Yeah? Is it vegan? Is it cruelty free? I'm just kidding. So the last thing in here is this Boxy Charm Train case. Just another perk of being a charmer, this exclusive Boxy Charm Cosmetics case is not only extremely chic, but very spacious and perfect for the charmer who has to take their glam on the glow. So it kind of looks like a miniature snake skin, and it has this rainbow holographic look to it, so it's pretty cute. I think it's rose gold, actually. Yeah, it is. I just said that, didn't I? No, I didn't. But it is. It's like rose gold. I think my mom will like it. It's huge. It says Boxy Charm on the inside. But okay, guys. That is it for our Boxy Charm Luxe unboxing. Did you like it? Okay, so I'm going to continue on. Keep on watching if you'd like to see how I created this look. I'm going to try to keep it short, so I'm going to do a lot of editing. We'll see you real soon. Queen. If you'd like to join the Secret Sacred third time's a charm, designed to give your desired look. Handles give and the two-tone synthetic brush hair make this brush set. Oh my gosh. Okay. Your new Moda two-piece powder and soft glow kit is the universe. Here is this Boxy charm train case. Just another blooper. There goes another blooper. Thank you all so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. We enjoy reading each and every single one of your comments, so please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe below. And I will be including a link in the description box of all the products that I use to create this look. Also, there is links to my Instagram and Twitter accounts, so please feel free to go check those out as well. I'm just getting started, so I'd really appreciate the following. Also, in my outro, I will have my last video here and here, another video of my favorites, and then on my left side, I believe it's here, I will have videos here and subscribe button here. So please feel free to subscribe if you're new and check out my latest videos here if you haven't done so already. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye.